ताळगाव ओडीपी ना म्हूण बोवाळ जालो. टीसीपी आमदार मंत्र्यांक विश्वासान घेवचे पयलीं ओडीपी अधिसूचित करता म्हूण पणजेचो आमदार मंत्री बाबूश उलयलो.
A member was there, elected member was there. So basically, if there's any objection he has got, or anything whatever is happening this thing in his constituency, basically he knows of it. So that is the thing. Now here whatever PDAs have been thrown in the air. No meetings have basically been held. This is not only our PDAs. There are other two PDAs also. So this is not acceptable. We should know what is happening in our constituency. That is very clear. ODP, what about the ODP? ODP of Panjim has been pending for the past 4 years. And as far as ODP is concerned, what you do in regional plan is not a problem. ODP is mostly, it is the minute details of the place, area, where road, where all the different infrastructure should come. That you cannot do arbitrarily. You cannot just one fine day I get up from my thing and I see 300 floor basically come on the side of it. And I don't even know. Being an MLA, I myself don't know what is that is. This issue basically was raised by other MLAs also.
मजगती मंत्री विश्वजित म्हणटा आमचे झगडे घोवा बायले सारखे.
काही गोष्टी वाईट ठरप नसतात. कोणी केन्ना केन्ना आउटबर्स्ट जातात. गो बायलांमध्ये झगडी जातात. आता बाबूश आणि माझे रिलेशन खूप वर्षाचे. ते गो बायल सारखेच आम्ही. ते कितें नवीन काय ना.
मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत म्हणटा कसलेच मतभेद ना.
कोणाचो कसलो डिफरन्स ना, कांयच ना.
तुका बाबूश
हांवें पळोवना, मागीर पळयता.
अशें कितें जाना. नाराज बी मिनिस्टर नाराज आसा.
कोण नाराज ना.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.